tower AB stands on level ground. From a point P on ground, the angle of elevation of the top B is 50 degrees. So this is the ground. Then let's say this is tower AB. This is A, this is B. And from a point on the ground, from a point, let's say from this point, right? So angle of elevation means?
It's like going
You're
up.
looking at, yes. So angle of elevation to the top B is 50 degrees, right?
Yeah.
The observer then looks at point C on the tower 1 meter directly below the top. Okay, 1 meter directly below the top. So this is point C, and this distance is then 1 meters, right?
Yeah.
And measure the angle and measures an angle of elevation of 40 degrees from this point itself, right? Okay. Let the height AB is h. So this height AB is h. And the horizontal distance AP is x. This distance is x. H is greater than 1, of course. Find h and x. You have to find the value of h and x, right? So if this is h, so this AC will be how much? H minus 1 meters.
Yes.
If this is h minus 1 meters, this is 90 degrees. So I will go with in triangle PAB. What will happen in triangle PAB? I will get 1050 degrees is equals to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is what? BA or AB. And the adjacent is X. So I can say, calculate the value of 1050 degrees.
Opposite is AB.
Yes. Which is H, which is basically H.
Yes. Height.
Calculate the value of 1050 degrees on your calculator. I will also calculate. 1050.
1.19.
Yeah. 1.19175 H by X, right?
Yeah.
So I can say that H is equals to 1.19175x.
Yeah.
Let's say this is equation 1. Okay, then what should I do? Let's take in triangle. In triangle PAC.
Okay.
What will happen? Tan 40 degrees. Again, opposite is H minus 1 AC. AC is the opposite, which is H minus 1 divided by again X.
Yeah.
Find the value of 1040. 0.8390, right?
Yeah.
$8390 X will be equals to H minus 1.
Yeah.
Or you can also say that H will be equals to 0.8390 X plus 1.
Yeah.
Let's say this is equation 2. Very good. Now equation 1 and equation 2 should be equal because this is H, this is H. So we can say from equation 1 and 2, 0.8390 x plus 1 is equal to 1.19175 19175, 1.19175x. So now solve it. What will happen? You transfer this to the right hand side. You will get 1 equals to, what is 1.19175 x minus 1.19175 minus 0.8390. So that is 0.35275x. So x will be 1 divided by 0.35275, which is equals to 2.834, right?
Yeah.
We have to find answer till 1 decimals. No, it is not. Nothing is given. Okay, so this will be your x.
Yes.
X will be 2.834 meters.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what will be the value of h? Substitute the value. What you will get? You will get h equals to 1.19175 times x, which is 2.834.
3.37.
3.3, just 3.37. Wait 1 second. 19175 times 2.834. 3.377. And approximately you can write it as 3.38, right? So 3.38 meters. So yeah, this will be your answer.